laminate flooring, and because you have to be careful of putting water on it, getting this wet, dried cardboard remnant off of the floor has been tricky. You're not supposed to get a laminate floor very wet, but we had some cardboard here with a plant on top of it, and it got wet and stuck. Laminate floor does not handle water well. If water sits for any length of time, it can get in between the cracks or the seams of the laminate planks. And because it's only like chipboard, almost like cardboard underneath, that absorbs the water and tends to swell those seams, which lift. And then if you walk across it over time, it just scuffs and takes off the laminate. So you don't want water to sit. In this case, we had cardboard to absorb and protect in case water got on it. And so the cardboard took the blunt of it, thankfully, but now it's hard to get off, so this is how we're doing it. You can use a razor blade as long as you keep it flat and don't turn it to the side so you don't gouge it. But if you keep it flat, you'll be able to scrape this up. We'll put a little bit of water on here to help soften it up. So adding a little bit of water, didn't take much, and it peeled off in most places. Had to scrub on some other areas, and now we're just left with a few dirty areas, which we can use a regular nylon scrubby, finish up the rest. See how it's stuck here? This is a little bit of gummy residue. We'll just take care of it with a regular nylon scrubby for dishes. So this is doing very well. Just cleans off the gummy residue. This is another area of the floor that's near the sink, so there has been moisture on the floor quite a few times, and you can tell it's just worn over. This is the seam. There's supposed to be a seam here, but of course all this damage has resulted over time. So this looks so much better. We were able to scrape it off very easily once the cardboard was damp, and we're drying it off for a polished finish and make sure no more moisture is on there for any longer than necessary. And then we're back to looking brand new again.